Hello guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to launch your own Solana meme token, attract buyers, and then withdraw the liquidity straight back into your wallet. And the wild part is, this whole process can be completed in about 10 to 20 minutes from start to finish. Before we jump in, I'm also running a giveaway. I'll be sending 1 Solana to 10 different people. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, drop your Solana wallet in the comments, and share this video with 5 friends. Very simple. All the details are in the pinned comment. Let's begin. First, I'm opening Photon. I want to quickly show you something. I'm filtering by Pump.fun tokens, and take a look. New tokens are being launched every few seconds. It's crazy. If you launch here, within half a minute, your token gets buried instantly, completely saturated. Now, I'm switching over to Radium tokens. See the difference? Way fewer tokens being launched, much slower pace, and that's exactly what we want. Less competition, more visibility, and more attention on our token. This is the ideal setup. Before we launch anything, we need a strong meme idea. Something catchy, fun, maybe even a little absurd. I usually go to Deck Screener for ideas. I start with the trending section to see which tokens have strong volume and market cap. You can also check top tokens, but doing this manually every time gets tiring. Scrolling through endless projects, coming up with names, making logos, it just takes too long. So instead, I got straight to Cortex launch.fun. Here, you can launch, nuke, and earn from the meme coin with any trending idea. It's the most cost-effective Solana token creator. It let us own and control everything. In fact, let us earn the transaction fee. It's the most affordable platform for meme coin, launching in just 0.1. So let's begin. First, click on Connect Terminal. I'm going to connect my Solflare wallet. Connected. After connecting the wallet, look, I have 5 SOL, around $409 in my wallet. Now upload the logo for the meme coin, then the name, as I am doing manlet and manlet for symbol. For description, you can write anything. For socials, if you have got your website, then paste here. Otherwise, this platform offers a free website with every meme coin creation. That's the perk, you know. Now, clicking next, set the total supply to 1 billion. It's the recommended amount. Keep mint authority and freeze authority disabled locked to increase buyer confidence and show the token can't be manipulated later. Now for the best part. Cortex Launch lets you promote your token on DEX trackers the moment it goes live, giving you instant exposure from day one. Enable this option, preview the live listing, then click Mint Token. All right, it's processing the transaction now. Perfect. Click Accept to approve it. It's working. Great. I trust this site. Approve the request. Again, this is just the 0.02 SOL Solana network fee required to mint the token. Once it's confirmed, your token will be deployed on the blockchain. Boom. Just like that, our meme coin is officially live. It really is that simple. And the best part, we did it using a completely free platform. Now let's check out what we've got. Wow. Everything you need is already built in. We will copy our token address from here, then paste on different platforms. Our token has been automatically listed across major Solana tracking platforms, giving it instant exposure to potential buyers. Next, we'll copy our project's website link and start sharing it across other social media platforms to drive traffic and build hype. You can also monitor all the key on-chain metrics in real time, including liquidity, holders, trading activity, and market performance. Next step is to launch our meme coin so it becomes tradable. So now initializing pool, keep the token supply 90%, and for starting Sol, you can literally begin with 0.1 Sol. So yeah, click deploy pool. It has started. Yeah, that's correct. Accept it. It is working now. Approve the request, 0.27 SOL only. Okay, accept it. I trust this site. Accept good. Boom, our coin is live on DEX terminals and the trading has started on it. Now we get to the core of the strategy, the volume bot. Head over to bot.cortexlaunch.fun and connect your wallet. I'm using Solflare. Next, paste your token's contract address and the bot will detect it automatically. Here is plan of Cortex bot, basic plan, just 0.7 Sol, time duration 30 minutes, 20 wallets, and so more. If you choose your own, it will goes around 0.5 sol to 50 sol, up to you. Higher the value, higher the results. Before moving on, double check the first and last few characters of the contract address to make sure you've selected the correct token. I am choosing basic plan 0.7 SOL. This is auto-generated setting. I am not doing any change, but you can also change. Up to you. Now click on Launch Volume BOT. Approve the request of payment. Just 0.7 SOL will give us insane results. Just wait and watch. Click on I trust the site. Okay. Boom, the volume bot is live and already driving activity. Trading volume is building fast, putting your token in front of more eyes. Now head over to Photon. Look at that, real buys and sells are already rolling in. Your token is officially live and gaining momentum. This is your portfolio dashboard, your control center. From here, you can track your website, monitor every launch token, and manage everything in one place. Now we're live on Photon. Just look at the activity, transactions are already rolling in. Liquidity is growing, the market cap is climbing, and volume is building fast. The volume bot is doing exactly what it's designed to do, driving attention and creating momentum. As more traders spot the activity, more buyers start coming in, and that's how meme coins catch fire. As more traders jump in, buying pressure builds and the chart starts ripping higher. Green candles keep printing, momentum keeps growing, and that's exactly what attracts even more buyers. Now let's fast forward and see just how far this coin can run. Now, the last part, where we will make money from our coin, coming back to cortexlaunch.fun, go to Launch section, click on Manage, and click on Remove Liquidity, set the slider to 100% and click Remove Liquidity. Yes, it's working perfectly. This coin has made us 26 plus SOL, plus let's approve it to have it in our wallet. It's done. Moment of truth, checking my wallet. Unbelievable. From 5 sol to 30 SOL, around $2,400. That's how I make thousands per meme coin launch per day. Look at that, refreshing it for you guys. So yeah, this platform, cortexlaunch.fun, is crazy. You don't have to rely solely on platforms like Pump.fun or others and hope your coin succeeds through pure luck. Many launches there can be highly competitive and unpredictable. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the giveaway if you haven't yet. Details are in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.